Let's go, let's go. Right at the door. Shit. Let's just do this. Shit. Man. What the hell? I'm supposed to get over there. We'll see. This is the path I created so far on my back door. All the way there. Let me take you for a little walk. Still got a long way to go. But I'm moving. This gotta be at least 16 inches. At least 16 inches. This is just one. This should be like 2 lanes. There's only 1 lane. Look at that. Look at that there. The snow has kind of stopped. What time is it? About noon? I think it's about noon. My garbage can, look how high it's piled up. I haven't touched my garbage can area, so you know how high it is when your garbage cans are buried that high. Ain't nothing over there, but it's high over there as well. That's my garage door back there. This is where we're at. Anyway, I'll holler in a few minutes once I get to my door, which shouldn't be too bad. It wasn't too bad, but no, I'll feel the pain later. Anyway, I'll holler. Made it to that side. Yeah, this is about 12 inches. Get to my back door. Get to my back door. Hold on. Okay, I did a little bit for my door, back door. Made one little path. This is like double, should be double, but really supposed to be on this side. That should be more open, but I didn't do it because all I need to do is walk on through. And then cleared the back door, cleared my garbage cans. City of Hereford. And that's about it. I don't have to do all this shit. I could do this other side, and I may do it. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, I got a walking path. I am good. This is like 12 to 16 inches of snow. I give them, their predictions were kind of right. Anyway, I will holla later. Shit, I forgot what I was walking out to. Anyway, I'm about to cut up this side right here. I'm gonna double it to make it wider. So give me about 10 minutes or so, I will holler at you guys in a few, even though I don't need to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Peace. These Timberlands working. Me, my red shovel, my Timbos, and outside footprints, shoe prints. Anyway, I doubled it up, made it wider. I suggest if you don't have to shovel, don't shovel. This is more than I needed. As you can see, I got space. I touched the grass. Had to make sure I touch the grass on both sides. If you don't have to shovel, don't shovel. It's not easy. Cleared my garbage cans. Made space so I can get to my garbage cans. But on this side, I left it whatever. That's where the pile is. So that's it. Double wide. No, so I don't know if it seems like it's sleeting right now. I'm not sure. But that's the end of the road for me. I'm not putting no salt or sand down. Nothing like that. I don't think I need to. Just gotta watch my step. I might have to wear my boots tonight, but we'll see. Anyway, that's the end of this journey. I don't even know the storm's name, but whatever it is, this is a lot of snow. This is a major snowstorm, but as usual, we in Connecticut are prepared for it, so it is what it is. I haven't been out on the road. Oh shit, I can't get my number. What time is it? I think it's 12:52. I won't be getting my numbers today. Hopefully they don't come out. But anyway, this is the end of this journey. Hope you liked, share, subscribed, comment, whatever. For those on Facebook, what you see is what you get. But I don't think this is going on Facebook. But anyway, I will holla at you guys later.